Okay, we'll do some kind of quick videoing here. This is Distributor. Actually, probably a distributor for this exact engine. So I think it's the one that came with it. You notice it has points, and these little gizmos here are your centrifugal. In fact, centrifugal advance. I'm going to pull this out so you can see it. What it looks like. Okay, see that gear right there? Well, that gear rides up against the side of the back of the cam gear, and if you look down in the end of here, you should be able to see that there's a little thing. It looks like the head of a straight-headed screwdriver, and if you look down in there, you should also see something that looks like a screw for a straight-headed screwdriver. That thing down there is the top of the oil pump. When this shaft spins around, because the cam is turning this gear, that drives the oil pump. The reason I brought this over here and put it into place is that I wanted it to be able to spin around so that I could check the timing chain. So I'm just going to spin the starter so you can see it going round and round. Yeah, it's going round and round. Now what I can do now is I can turn this motor back and forth. I'm going to sit you literally right down inside the motor. But I'm going to grab the flywheel, and it's been going this way. So if I go back with the flywheel and this doesn't move, that's going to tell me how much play there is in the timing gear. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn it about, well, I'll turn it this way first so that you can see this is, can't see much, can you? But she wasn't all the way down in there. Now she is. Still not. I think you can see that that's turning, but it ain't turning real fast, but it is turning. So what I'm going to do is turn it in the other direction and see how long, how much I have to turn it before it moves. So, and I can't tell nothing that way. You know what? Just forget that. I'll pop the timing chain off, cover off there before I go any further with it anyway. So, but we'll just leave that right there for now. See, that's why I like to have that bolt on the end of the harmonic balancer, because you can put a wrench in that, you can kind of go this way and that way, and you can watch this thing turn and see how much it's either turning or not turning. Maybe there's another way I can do that. The idea of trying to turn it with a screwdriver and watch it all at the same time wasn't really working out that well. Let's try this instead. Yeah, it ain't working so well. Okay, forget that.